This tip from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to save photos to files so you can transfer it to a USB device. So I have my SD card reader plugged in right here, and I'm not able to transfer anything because nothing's saved to files. So what I want to do is just open up Photos, and that looks like it's opened already. So let's go back here. Here's my library. So find a photo. So let's go to Select. We can select this one and this one. Okay. Then we want to go to Share in the bottom left. Scroll up, and there's an option to save to files. Now you can save it directly to your USB device right here. Then find a location and go to Save Here. So that's the most important thing, is to save to files. Then you can save it directly to a USB device. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.